In this video, we're gonna learn how to update your BIOS. We're using a motherboard from Msi B450. You can follow other relative motherboard as well. Go to your official website and search your motherboard and download the latest BIOS you want to apply. It might contain as a zip file. You might want to extract it. Now follow these steps. Download your file and copy it to your USB drive. Keep it in root for easy finding. To avoid any errors, make sure your USB drive is FAT32 file system. Now let's start. Go to Ctrl Alt Delete. Go to your BIOS menu and select M Flash. Now that we have copied our file to the USB drive, we will plug it to dedicated area. Some motherboard have dedicated port for this. Use it. Now restart it. As you can see, we have already connected our USB drive and there are our file. You can see there is a file which we have downloaded. Now we want to apply it. So the apply is done. The BIOS is updating. Make sure to keep your power on so that it does not corrupt your entire system. It might take 30 minutes to complete. Keep patient and thank you. If this video helps you, please do like, follow and subscribe so that I can make better videos in future.